Rob Anderson Clean Power Wash. So we're part of that follow-up to the booster pump that we dismantled the other day. Is look at how these look now. Ray Burke has always talked about putting them into some muriatic acid. We literally just sprinkled maybe a quarter cup of oxalic, let it sit. We'll still polish this off, but compared to the horribly dirty stuff it looked like before, it has eaten through this pretty well. We're still going to want to clean up the inside, but I mean, remember how bad that looked. Looks 10 times better. We're going to push that one out of the sleeve, but other than that, we're looking a lot better. We sat for basically 24 hours. We do need to clean this out. This still hasn't worked quite the way. It's now obviously green, but everything else is looking better. Just a little bit of oxalic acid and some water.